Hello guys, do you want to edit and public or post one of your previous saved draft posts on Facebook and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to edit and public your draft post on Facebook in 2024. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Stark Things Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps and many more. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press the bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it. First of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, in order to find your previous draft post which you have saved, just simply create a random post. Here type some words and tap back and tap it save as draft. Save it as draft. Here you can see we have get a notification. Just scroll down and tap at that notification. By tapping on that notification, you will get a list of all of your draft posts which you have saved in previous 3 days. Just remember, after the 3 days, your draft posts get deleted automatically, and you are you will not able to access them after 3 days. Just simply tap at your specific draft post which you want to edit and post. Here you can edit it whatever you want. You can simply add your medias and change the colors or whatever you want. Just add it and tap at that post button in the top right corner to post it. By tapping on it, the post will be go public. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question, just leave in comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learned something new, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye to the next video.